Now he's just following. Let me introduce you to Ranger. Ranger is a new addition who's very excited to be part of our family now. Ranger is a 6-year-old chocolate lab. We got him from a family who, because of some health reasons, couldn't keep up with him anymore. And he has been a delight in our family. We're still getting accustomed to each other. He's only been with us for a week, and he does have some excitement in him. He's a puppy still, but we have just grown to love him. He's learning some basic commands, and he is responding well to getting out, like here to the dog park in our neighborhood, where we were able to bring him on a daily basis so far and just let him get out and run a little bit. And so we just wanted you to meet Ranger. He is just a gift that he is exploring everything, and he's just learning to love us, and we're learning as we love him, being in each other's life. So we just wanted to take a minute and let you meet a new member of our family and get to know Ranger a little bit better as he will grow with us. You'll see him on our trips. If you follow us on YouTube, he'll be a part of our camping experience, and you will be able to watch him and watch us throughout this camping season, which is soon going to be upon us. We're going to be camping here in just a couple of weeks, and this will be his first outing with us. So we're all anxious to see how that goes, believe me. But thanks for just tuning in and getting to know Ranger a little bit. If you've got a chocolate lab or a lab, just drop us a note and let us know about your experience and maybe how you adjusted them to the camping experience, or if you got one when they were a little older, maybe some lessons you learned that helped them and helped you through that time of transition. But we're really excited to have Ranger in our life. If you have a lab, you get it. If you don't have enough time to explain it. They are the best dog ever, and we are convinced of that a second time.